So, good morning. Part 29 na tayo. Okay, medyo mabagal yung upload natin ngayon. Pasensya na po. So, doon tayo sa plumbing. Okay, part 29. Okay, plumbing, the art and technique of installing pipes, fixtures, and other appurtenances, and other apparatus in buildings for bringing in the supply liquids, substances and or ingredients and removing them, and such water, liquid or other carried waste hazardous to health, sanitation, life, property. Also the pipes and fixtures after installing the plumbing system. Okay, so that is plumbing. Tingnan natin yung ano dito sa UPC kung pareho lang. So the business, trade or work having to do with the installation, removal, alteration or repair of plumbing system or part thereof. So medyo mahaba yung ano doon sa ni-revise nila or pinahaba nila yung definition ng plumbing doon sa Revised National Plumbing Code natin. Okay, tingnan natin dito sa isa. So the practice, materials, plumbing and fixtures within or adjacent to any building, structure or conveyance used in the installation, maintenance, extension, alteration and removal of any piping, plumbing fixtures, plumbing appliances, and plumbing appurtenances in connection with any of the following. Okay, so sanitary drainage system and its related vent system. Okay, yan yung mga sakop ng plumbing. Storm water drainage facilities. Okay, so ang nalagay dito, to any building within or adjacent, plumbing or private, public or private potable water supply system. So private meaning meron niyang sariling, halimbawa mag-deep well ka, so yun yung private. So public, under na water utilities yan. Okay, the initial connection to a potable water supply upstream of any required backflow prevention devices, and the final connection that discharges indirectly into the public or private disposal system. Okay, so medical gas and medical vacuum system, so kasali pala sa plumbing yan as per National Plumbing Code, US ito na code. Indirect waste piping including refrigeration and air conditioning, drainage, liquid waste or sewage, and water supply of any premises to their connection with an approved water supply system or to an acceptable disposal facility. Okay, so note, the following are excluded from the definition. Ito yung excluded daw. All piping equipment or material used exclusively for environmental control. So environmental control, ito na yung trabaho ng sanitary engineers. Okay, so yung vermin, dito yung ba may mga piping na ginagawa natin ngayon doon sa pest control. So yun yung sa sanitary for environmental control. Piping used for the incorporation of liquid or gases into any product or process for use in manufacturing or storage of any product, including product development. So industrial, parang industrial piping ito. Okay, so piping used for the installation, alteration, repair and removal of automatic sprinkler system installed for fire protection only. So hindi yan kasali pala sa plumbing. So tama lang siguro na nasa mechanical mechanical works. So pero yung may isang grupo na kiniklaim na rin nila ito na sila daw ang may authority, ang gulo. So related opportunities and standpipes connected to automatic sprinkler system or overhead or underground fire line beginning at the point where water is used exclusively for fire protection. So hindi kasama sa plumbing yan, ha? The following are excluded from the definition. Okay, nakalagay piping used for lawn sprinkler system downstream from backflow prevention devices. Okay, so yun yung sa plumbing, sakop ng plumbing at saka na excluded. Okay, so balik tayo dito sa plumbing. Okay, medyo mahaba dito. So nakita natin yung tatlong code na pinagkumpara natin. Okay, so plumbing appliance, any one of a special class of device or equipment intended to perform a special plumbing function. So appliance yan, ha? Its operation and or control may be dependent upon one or more energized components such as motors, controls, heating equipment elements, and pressure temperature sensing elements. Such device or equipment may operate automatically through one or more of the following actions or time cycle: a temperature range, pressure range, a measured volume or weight, or the device or equipment may be manually adjusted or controlled by the user or operator. So appliance yan. Tingnan natin dito sa UPC. Plumbing appliance, anyone the special class of device or equipment which is intended to perform a special plumbing function is operation and control. So pareho lang. Ang such device or equipment may operate automatically. Pareho lang sila, kinopya lang. So tingnan natin dito sa isang code. Plumbing appliance, anyone with special class of plumbing fixture that is intended to perform a special plumbing function. Its operation or control may be dependent upon or more energized components. So pareho lang, pero may comment dito. Ito yung importante. The plumbing appliances includes washers. Okay, clothes washers. Yan. So alam na natin, appliance yan. Dishwashers, food waste disposal, and grinder units. Ito yung nilalagay sa lababo, ginagrind bago i-dispose. Water heaters, so that is a plumbing appliance. Water softener, similar but referred to. So yun yung mga appliances, plumbing appliance. Okay, o at least alam na natin kung ano yung appliance, plumbing appliance. Okay, so dito naman tayo, plumbing appurtenances, manufactured device or prefabricated assembly or an on-the-job assembly of components parts and serves as adjunct to the basic plumbing system and plumbing fixtures. An appurtenance demands no additional water supply, nor does it add any discharge load to a fixture or the drainage system. It performs some useful function in the operation, maintenance, servicing, economy, and safety of the plumbing system. Okay, so tingnan natin dito kung pareho lang sa UPC. Manufactured, so pareho lang siya. Perform some useful function. So dito, at least dito may comment, alam natin. Okay, manufactured device, a prefabricated assembly or on-the-job assembly, pareho lang sila, pero dito tayo sa comment kasi mas importante ito. An example of plumbing opportunities are water filters, yun. Backflow prevention devices, so yun yung napag-usapan natin, yung double check valve assembly, mga ganon. Backwater valves, that is plumbing appurtenance. Interceptors, separators, and neutralizing or dilution tank, that is plumbing appurtenances. So please alam natin ngayon, basa tayo ng basa, appurtenances, ano kaya yun. Ito na ang mga example. Okay, so filters, backflow prevention, backwater valves, interceptors, separators, neutralizing or dilution tank. Okay, so plumbing appurtenances does not change the load on the water supply or drainage system, kasi ano lang yan, appurtenance lang, hindi siya nakakadagdag ng load. Okay, so yun, malinaw. Okay, ito, plumbing firm, sole proprietorship or corporation composed of registered and master plumbers together with allied professionals, with the master plumbers composing the majority of the membership. Corporators, directors, and executive officers and licensed master plumbers only render work and services within the cognizance of a registered master plumber, and members of the allied profession also only render works and services within the cognizance of the respective profession. Okay, so tingnan natin kung meron dito. Plumbing firm, kung wala. Plumbing official, plumbing system. Okay, tingnan natin dito sa isa. Plumbing fixtures na, plumbing system. So yun, tayo rito. Plumbing official, and the administrative authority or the officer charged with the administration and enforcement of national plumbing code, or regularly authorized deputy. Okay, so yan yung plumbing official. So administrative authorities having jurisdiction, yun yung mga plumbing official. Okay, dito sa isa wala siya. So ayun, plumbing inspector, yun yung mga plumbing official. Okay, so balik tayo dito sa revised national plumbing code natin. Plumbing system includes all potable water supply and distribution, all plumbing fixtures and traps, all sanitary and storm drainage system, vent pipes, roof drains, leaders, downspouts, and all building drains and sewers, including the respective joint and connection devices, receptacles, and appurtenance within the property or adjacent yan. Water lines in the premises, potable tap, hot and chilled water piping, potable water treating or using equipment, fuel gas piping, water heaters, and vent for same. Okay, so tingnan natin dito sa UPC. Plumbing system includes all potable, so pareho lang, fuel gas, so plumbing pala yan, piping, water heaters and vents. So yon, plumbing system. So pareho lang din to sa ano. So plumbing system includes the water supply and distribution pipes, plumbing fixtures and traps, soil waste and vent pipes, sanitary and storm drains, and building sewers, including the respective connection devices and appurtenances to an approved point of disposal. Okay, so yon yung plumbing system. Okay, plumbing unit, ito na yung plumbing unit. Magkaiba ito sa drainage fixture unit, sa ating yung fixture unit. So isang plumbing unit, a minimum standard quantity of plumbing fixtures that discharges into a plumbing installation, including 1 water meter, okay, 1 water meter, 1 water closet, 1 lavatory, 1 shower head, and a drain for a bathtub or shower stall, 1 kitchen sink, 1 laundry tray, and 3 floor drains, and 4 faucets or hose bib. So yan yung plumbing unit. yung sinasabi nilang limited tayo sa 20 fixture unit, hindi yon. Plumbing unit dapat, hindi fixture units, kasi yung fixture units, one fixture unit is one lavatory. Okay, so magkaiba yon. So ito yung plumbing unit, composed of plumbing unit, one plumbing unit. So kung nilimitahan tayo hanggang 20 plumbing unit, hindi fixture units yon. Okay, okay. Pero yon, meron ng yung kaso natin, nag-apila yung kalaban sa Court of Appeals. So nag-file sila ng motion for reconsideration, so dininay. So ang ano na lang nila, ang asa na lang nila, itataas nila niya sa Supreme Court. Pero palagay ko medyo malabo ng manalo ang kalaban, kasi nandun na, may decision na yung Court of Appeals, nag-file sila ng motion for reconsideration, dininay. Then pag akyat niyan sa Supreme Court, medyo may pera kasing involved dyan, baka magsayang lang sila ng pera dyan at saka oras. So panalo na, sana ma-implementa nga yun. Okay, so plumbing unit, tingnan natin dito sa pollution. So walang plumbing unit dito. Wala. Dito tingnan natin sa isa, plumbing unit, wala. Then okay, pollution. So balik tayo dito, plumbing unit. So pollution and impairment of the quality of the water to a degree which creates hazard to public health and adversely affect the aesthetic and potable qualities of water for domestic use. Okay, pollution, sa tingin ko pareho lang. Impairment, the quality of water to a degree which does not create a hazard to public health but which does adversely and unreasonably affect the aesthetic qualities of such potable waters for domestic, although defined as low hazard. Okay, so pollution, pareho lang. Okay, so balik tayo dito. Pollution, potable water, the water as satisfactory for drinking, culinary and domestic purposes, and meets the requirements of Philippine National Standard for Drinking Water. Okay, pressure, the normal force exerted on a homogeneous liquid or gas per unit area on the wall of the container. So in terms of pounds per square inch, so pounds normal force, this pounds per unit area square inch. So yon, English, kasi nga doon sa amin English kami, hindi kami metric sa US sa amin. So static pressure, the pressure existing without any flow of motion. So ito, static pressure, ito yung sinasabi natin na yung total dynamic head is equivalent to the static pressure. So ang in every 2.31 height of feet of water regardless of diameter, it is equivalent to 1 psi. Okay, so static pressure, residual pressure, ito yung flow pressure, yung kasi yung TDH natin is equivalent to static head plus friction loss due to pipes and fittings, so plus residual pressure or the flow pressure yung define natin dati. Ito yung minimum pressure at the tip doon sa dulo ng fixture para to maintain or to have a sufficient adequate pressure to function the fixture satisfactorily, ba? So yun yung ina-add natin para yung pressure natin hindi lang basta lang makalabas doon, dapat adequate pressure to function kung shower yan, dapat minimum of 8 psi to 15 psi para maganda yung buga, adequate pressure to function the fixture satisfactorily. Yon, pressure available at the fixtures or water outlet allowance is made for pressure drop due to friction loss. So actually ang allowance, hindi ang allowance, kino-compute yan, friction loss due to pipe, water meter, yung losses niyan, kung saan every fittings na doon dadaan yung tubig, may mga friction losses yan. Okay, we will talk about that in the design aspect. Okay, system during maximum demand period, so yun yung residual pressure. Okay, flow pressure yan. Okay, so potable water pressure, ito static pressure, residual pressure. Tingnan natin dito, pareho lang siguro. Pressure powder room, yun yung half bath, yun yung tawag natin sa powder room, half bath or sitz bath. Pressure assisted water closet, na pag-usapan na natin to. So yung private disposal system, so dito muna tayo. Okay, so this is part 29. Tuloy-tuloy lang, so at least ano natin yung kasi basa tayo ng basa, plumbing opportunities, plumbing device, plumbing hindi natin alam yan. May sample na tayo kung ano yung devices, ano yung opportunities, ano yung appliances, so alam na natin. So this is part 29. Okay, so thank you.